Hi, Professor. Hi, everyone. This is Abdul Sabur. It's 60 project communication management. So I'm going to start my PowerPoint slide. This is enhancing project communication in agile software development. That's my topics. Mhm. So let's start. Communication effectively is one of the most important factor nowadays. Whether this project is carried out the properly, um, nowadays without communication, project management is incomplete. Communication is crucial to project management. Compared to the other software development strategic, this one emphasizes communication more. This is because agile software development is iterative and collaborative. This study examine team communication is in an IT project team using agile approach to develop a software solution. The team is developing the software agile framework. Uh, promotes flexibility, teamwork, and customer satisfaction. Obviously, the uh, satisfac customer satisfaction is the big achievement and most important thing in the business sector. And the project management and product development utilize it, sprint, frequent feedback, and the ability to adjust to changing demands set it apart. And to communicate it effectively inside the project team and with non-team members, one must comprehend the agile framework. Mm, Next one, internal communication within the team. The session sprint planning and sprint review will help the team understand the project goals and progress. Because of this, the team can ensure everyone understand this workshop promote continuity improvement and align stakeholder expectation. Daily stand-up UFPS within the framework of agile communication. The daily stand-up meeting is regarded as one of the most important components available. During this meeting, members of the team offer short update on the goals for the day, as well as any challenges that they have encountered up to this point. The framework, the the formation of an atmosphere that is conducive to collaboration encourages transparency and identifies obstacle on time is facilitated by this as started by the 2020. Task board and visual management. It is possible that the use of visual tools inside an organization, such as task board and burn down chart, which provide a unified and visible representation of the work that is being done, the progress that is being achieved, has the potential to improve communication within the company. The agile methodology, which places a considerable emphasis on cooperation and adaptation, has shown that these visual tools are of tremendous assistance in accomplishing the goals that have been set within the process. External communication with stakeholder. It is a continuously stakeholder involvement. The through the whole of the development process, the agile approach encourage stakeholder to continue working together collaboratively. It is highly recommended that the stakeholders provide input regularly to ensure that the product can fulfill the ever evolving requirement and anticipation of the stakeholder consistently. The regular sprint reviews. Evaluation of the sprint are carried out regularly to guarantee that the expectation of the stakeholders are maintained. These meetings are held to provide stakeholder with the opportunity to see the work that has been made, to offer feedback and to adjust priorities in line with an shifting needs of the firm. Agile reporting through the use of the individualized agile reporting system, stakeholders are allowed to benefit from insights into the development and performance of the project. This category encompasses a wide range of the different type of device, including burn up chart and velocity measurements of several different forms. It is of the highest significance to offer reporting that is not only clear but also brief to sustain the engagement of stakeholder and ensure that they are keeping themselves updated. This is because there is a correlation between the two. Challenge in agile communication. Distributed team. The most common issue with agile communication is the management of geographically disparate teams. This could make last minute collaboration more challenges and need the development of technology solution to effectively overcome communication breakdowns. Changing requirement. Agile is an approach that is ready to take into the consideration the likelihood of changing demands, yet it may be challenging to the properly manage this new requirement. The existence of frequent shift rise the probability that there will be misunderstandings between the many person engaged in the session. It is of the most necessity to take into the consideration the significance of the following tied document and the communication method to ensure that all the individuals are aware of the same information. Balancing document and communication. Although Agile puts a large importance on functional software than it does it through our document, there is a need for a balance to be achieved. It is delicate activity that needs carefully attention to the be paid effectively communicate changing and progress without overwhelming the team or the stakeholder with an aggressive volume of documents. Recommendation for effectively communication: set team, ensure the people use it, let team members and development. This is the recommendation for effective communication. Actually, let ensure the proper use of project management tools, communication platforms, and video conferencing to increase virtual collaboration, especially for remote team. This is the communication. And develop team communication skill. Continuous training. This includes tools are use internal communication, interpersonal communication, and active listening. This is the conclusion, the level. So basically, the communication that takes place during agile software development project is directly proportional to the level of success that this project achieved by the calculative, the clear communication with the team and maintaining open communication channel with stakeholders. Business can more easily handle the complex of agile approach. This is feasible because agile techniques are becoming more complex. And this is the reference from I got the impact of stakeholder in agile software development, and those are the references. Thank you for joining and listening. Thanks everyone.